Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. I'm Harsh Singh. MA entrance exams for English literature of various universities such as JNU, Delhi University and other universities will take place in 1 or 2 months' time from now, broadly speaking. And if you have not yet begun preparing for this exam, then you should do so now if you are serious about MA English literature. Now ये वीडियो एक announcement है regarding our crash course for MA English entrance exam. This crash course will begin in early April. Now this course has been designed keeping in mind JNU and Delhi University, means DU, but this can be helpful for other universities as well. Now in this video what else will I be talking about? Now पहली चीज जिसके बारे में मैं बात करूंगा वो है what exactly this crash course will cover in terms of syllabus, in terms of coverage. Then I will talk about how to register for this crash course for those people who are interested or who might be interested in registering. After that, who should join this crash course? As I have already indicated, this is for MA English entrance, but specifically इसके बारे में भी बात करूंगा मैं. After that, 50 lucky winners will get this course or crash course for free. So how to participate in this lucky draw? Because 50 lucky winners will be selected on the basis of a lucky draw. And finally, I'll talk about what our approach will be in this crash course. Means what is the methodology that we will use to complete this crash course. Now, what does this crash course cover? The course content has been prepared keeping in mind the syllabus of JNU and DU and also the trends in previous year's questions. Along with this, it includes sectional quizzes and also full mock tests. Now, how can you register for this crash course? All you have to do is just WhatsApp us on this number. We will send you a registration form which you will have to fill and submit. Now coming to whom is this for or who should join this course? See, if you are seriously preparing for MA entrance English, then you can join. And if you have for some reason not started preparing, then you should definitely join. And if you are one of those who has been doing self-study but is a little confused about your preparation strategy, then yes, even you should join. But yes, keep in mind that we also expect seriousness from candidates. Don't expect that without seriousness on your part, you will be selected. Now coming to the 50 lucky winners who will get this crash course absolutely free. Now, as I already indicated, there will be a lucky draw and that will decide the winners. But while filling the registration form, you must indicate whether you want to be considered for the lucky draw or not. Because if you indicate no, then you won't be considered for the lucky draw. You have to indicate yes. And lucky winners will be personally informed as well. So don't worry, if you win, you will get a message from our side. और एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज जो मैं डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा बिफोर आई डिस्कस आवर अप्रोच. नाउ कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझसे ये पूछा है कि इज MA एंट्रेंस द सेम एज UGC नेट और JRF? See, not exactly. The questions asked in UGC net have far more range and depth than those asked in MA entrance. But let's consider a game of darts. Darts आपको पता है क्या होता है? If net or UGC net is this bigger circle and MA is this smaller circle, then rather than hitting anywhere, for example here or here or here, you should hit at the right place, means here, if you want to score more marks and if you want sure selection. So if your goal is MA entrance, then don't read anything and everything under the sun, but read what is more relevant and what is more likely to be asked. Okay, and keeping in mind the correct approach, the trends, the syllabus. Okay, and see, nowadays everybody works hard and everybody has access to books and internet, but everybody is not selected. Why? Because rather than hitting here on the bullseye, they end up hitting here and there. Therefore, my advice would be do not do a random and directionless preparation. Instead, do a more relevant and focused preparation. Whether you are doing self-study or studying in a group or studying at any coaching or studying by any other means, don't waste time in doing unnecessary things and reading everything in the world. Okay, time is precious, so use it wisely. Now last but not the least, what is our approach going to be? See, our approach will be doing a more exam oriented preparation and our emphasis will be on maximizing score, keeping in mind specified syllabus and also trends of previous years. So this is a broad overview of this crash course. Other details about this course will be released in the first week of April and of course before the start of the crash course. So with this, I wish you all the best and I hope to see you in our crash course.